Who's there?
Modern cabinets. Hey, welcome back. This is Gerald.
Hi, and this is Michelle.
Hey, and we're going to talk about modern style cabinets.
Modern cabinetry is something that's very simple, clean, no details, just as simple as you can get. Like even get rid of the handles, get rid of everything, just nice clean lines.
How long have modern styles been around?
They've been around for a long time. Like even back in the 60s, 50s, they had it. It just, people just wanted to look for something different, cleaner.
What materials do you usually find in modern kitchens?
Modern kitchens are, again, anything that's clean and neat. So it's very hard to have a modern kitchen with like a rustic wood or something like that. You'd have to have something very nice, sharp lines, clean grains, that kind of thing.
And what would you say a lot of the time are the differences in color themes between, let's say, the classic and the modern?
Classic stuff, you're using woods. So you're going to use a lot of stains, a lot of anything that brings out the wood, the classic look. Whereas modern, you're trying to look for that clean look. So you'd be more painting, more reconstituted veneers and stuff, like something very straight grains and stuff like that.